welcome back to Cook with Divya. If you're new to my channel, my name is Divya and I make cooking and baking videos both in English and Tamil. Do check out my Tamil channel, Cook with Divya Tamil. In this video, we will be making an amazing detox drink that is citrusy, spicy, anti-inflammatory, vitamin C rich, immune boosting and super tasty. This drink helps you lose ton of weight and keeps your cold and flu at bay. Let's get started. Into a clean saucepan, add around 4 cups of water. We will be reducing this drink by half, so to get around 2 cups of detox drink, we need 4 cups of water. In goes our first ingredient, the basil leaves, also known as tulsi. These leaves are great for healing skin problems, boosting immunity, helps in cold, cough, flu and sore throat, lowers blood pressure and reduces bad cholesterol, helps in indigestion and gastric disorders, and they're loaded with tons of antioxidants. Traditionally, these leaves are consumed in an empty stomach. Next, adding in 1 big lemon along with the peels. Lemon peels contain a component called pectin that's responsible for the promotion of weight loss in our body. Due to the presence of polyphenol flavonoids in lemon peel, it's helpful in maintaining the cholesterol level. The presence of potassium in lemon peels helps to maintain the blood pressure, thus preventing heart diseases and stroke. Next goes in a big chunk of peeled and crushed ginger. Now, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that's known to aid digestion and relieves nausea. It's not only good at soothing our gut, which in turn boosts our immunity, but it also does wonders to clean our lymphatic system. That's our body's network of organs and tissues that cleanses toxins and waste. Next comes our superhero, the turmeric, also known as haldi. Adding in 1/8 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Fresh turmeric roots are anytime better. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory high in antioxidants. Curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, supports the immune system in its ability to fight infection and aids weight loss, thus cutting body fat. Next, adding in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Cumin seeds are great for digestion, works wonder for weight loss and keeps cholesterol in check. Coming up next is a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Black pepper not only adds a lovely kick and flavor to the detox drink, but truly magical, because it helps boost the absorption of turmeric by up to 2000%. Yes, 2000%. Now let's simmer everything before we add one more ingredient. When the water comes to a rolling boil, adding in a few ajwain leaves, also known as karpooravalli or omavalli. This magical leaf is an excellent cure for cough and cold, helps to recover from severe wheezing and also bronchitis related issues. This leaf also helps in eliminating toxins from the body and promotes perspiration and regulates female menstruation. Give a nice stir and let the decoction simmer for a few minutes until it reduces by half.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Now our detox drink is reduced very well. Let's strain it using a strainer. I prefer to use a steel strainer as opposed to plastic ones, as turmeric tends to leave a yellow tinge. Also try and use a strainer with a fine mesh, because the detox water will be nice and clear, easy to drink even for kids. Now press well with the back of a spoon or a ladle and remove every bit of the water. This roughage can be used as a compost to your plants. There you go, we are done. Divide between serving glasses and enjoy. For maximum benefits, drink immediately. Store any leftovers covered in a refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Over the hills and
that's it guys, our magical detox drink is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I will be posting more such delicious recipes. So yeah, subscribe and click the bell button. I will see you soon with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay healthy. Bye.